Well, the biggest mistake people make when they're decluttering is to do too much, too fast, too hard, in too short of a time. And then they leave little pockets of stuff and they fly off and do something else and they come back and it's like, oh. Okay, so it's better typically to do it in little bits through time and learn to trust yourself to keep on coming back and finishing. 2 hours a week when you start is usually a lot on your own. I mean, if you're going from nothing to 4 hours, and also really appreciate the fact that your brain is tired in 4 hours, in 2 hours, let's even go down to 2 hours. Your body might not be so tired, but in 2 hours you've made thousands and thousands of little tiny decisions. And you stayed focused, and you've been managing the emotional up and down. So even if your body's not tired, your mind needs a break. If you go back, if you want to come back. So it's always good to take at least a 10 or 15-minute break in between sessions that you set up with yourself. So you can do 4 hours, just be careful.
Right. I do 4 hours and then I need 4 days.
That's right. So what happens is you do a big weekend and you roll up your sleeves and you go, okay, I'm going to throw myself down in the basement. And you get a lot done, though a lot of people turn around and go, God, is that all I got done? I have to do it in next weekend too. And then Monday rolls around and you're usually pretty tired. So that's the pattern, because people are trying to get it done as fast as possible, get it over with and get it done as quickly as possible. And the goal is not to get it over with and done as fast as possible, because you're going to be decluttering for life. Okay, pacing yourself is really, really important. And you just bring it into your life on a daily or weekly basis. And in the beginning, there's more to do, and then it gets easier once you catch up. But you want to actually build it into your life like brushing your teeth. If you didn't brush your teeth regularly, it'd get kind of grody in there, wouldn't it? Okay, if you're in a certain amount of pain to motivate you, kind of like a foul mouth, you want to go brush your teeth, right? It's a feedback loop. So if you're in a certain amount of pain, like the house is bugging you, you notice it without the judgment and go, wow, I guess that needs more of my attention, and then you schedule the time to do it. But you want to do it in little bits. Frequency and repetition is more important than knocking yourself out over a weekend, because your brain's smart enough to never want to do that again. You're teaching your brain how to do it with exhaustion and weariness afterwards.